Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok video. In this video, we will talk about TikTok's new update, which is a new font it has introduced on its app. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So the new update on TikTok has introduced a new font, which is being used in the comment section. So despite being a small change, some users are not happy about it. It's not yet been made clear why TikTok chose to change the font in the app. However, like many apps, TikTok constantly updates its app to ensure it runs smoothly as possible for users and gives users a new experience. So let's talk about this new font update. As you can see, the before font was like this, and this is what the new font looks like now. So from my point of view, the only difference I see between the old and the new font is that the letters are more closer together and every letter is very slimmer. So since the sudden change in font, people have expressed their thoughts online, and as you can see, most people are hating it. For those of you who cannot see this new font on your TikTok app, to get the new font update, you need to go to your Google Play Store or your App Store and update your TikTok app. If you still haven't got it, then it's still not available in your region. So there you go, guys. That's a new font update from TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.